Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2008 Road Glide that has some really great upgrades, including a 19-inch Enforcer wheel with the Fat Boy front fender, Race Tech front springs, saddlebag liners, saddlebag guards, a Thunder Header 2-in-1 exhaust, a Screaming Eagle air cleaner, Lucky Dave San Diego 16-inch T-bars, upgraded grips, a Daymaker headlamp, and more. This bike has 45,220 miles, and let's listen to the exhaust. All blacked out with some great upgrades, fresh out of detail, fresh out of service, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.